Hey folks, today's tutorial is a song titled Four Strong Winds. And the artist is Vanity Fair. The song was written by, I believe, Ian Tyson. Now there's been so many covers of this song. It's probably because it's a real good song. And I've even did two myself, two different people. I think one was Neil Young and it escapes, maybe the Searchers. But when I was looking up and preparing to find some songs to learn, I found the song by this LP by Vanity Fair, and that's where we found their version of Four Strong Winds. And we found it on the LP here titled Early in the Morning, and that was also another one of their hits. But when I saw that they did a version of Four Strong Winds, I listened to it, and I kind of like their take on it, so I just want to share it with the folks that might have Four Strong Winds as one of their favorite songs. But anyway, so we're going to be using an A chord. And even though the songs, most versions are not too difficult with this song, but this one's probably the easiest of all of them. But anyway, we're in standard tuning, and we're going to be using an A chord. We're going to be using a D chord. We're going to be using an E chord, E7th chord. We're going to be using a B minor. And if you're not good at them bar chords yet, you can play B minor like this. Then we're going to be using an F sharp minor. And again, if you're not good at the bar chords, that'll work just fine. We're going to use this one chord once, and it's a C sharp minor up here. We're also going to be using a G. Again, you can play your G like this. You can play your C sharp minor like this. You don't have to be playing that bar chord. And I think that's it. I think we know those chords we could get by. They do a version, Vanity Fair opens it up like this. Four strong winds. That's kind of their take on it. So they're just coming in on the B string, going to the open E. Then they're going to come up in the B string on the 3rd fret. That's what it sounds like to me. Anyway, is what they were doing. And that intro kind of, again, jumps in, kind of feeding us out to the outro of the song. And so, yeah, well, let's see if we can put that all together. I'll do a playthrough of the song for you. We're in standard tuning, and we're using the 12-string. You don't need a 12-string. I only pulled it out because Vanity Fair is using a 12-string. And so I thought that'd be kind of cool to do. Anyway, I'll do my playthrough. I'll see you on the back side.
Things I don't share.
hey, folks, kind of like that version that Vanity Fair did. So just sharing it with you. Again, I hope it helps. Hope to see you out there playing around them campfires, maybe a coffee house, and hey, for sure, don't forget to play for the folks at the care centers.